Why do people take an extra pair of socks when going golfing? In case they get a hole in one. You're welcome. Walking up to check the trail cam for the last time. And we're going to take it down as well now, so we don't forget it.
Yeah, we don't take it now, we probably would forget it, eh?
Yeah. Grabbing all our last few things. Tomorrow's the last day.
You gotta say, this is a beautiful path.
Sure is. Someone's getting lucky.
Yeah. We'll find another beautiful path.
Yeah.
We get some more to check out.
Yeah.
We'll be showing you probably lots of land.
Yeah.
Man, maybe if we come across a, you know, even a home, eh?
Pardon?
We said maybe we'll get lucky you can come across a home.
With some, yes, that'd be
with
great.
some land, right?
Wouldn't that be
Get a
nice?
kickstart on it. But
Yeah.
we'll see.
Here's moose and there's deer.
Yeah.
And then here's moose.
Yeah, you can barely tell that one, but you can see the back parts going this way.
Yeah. Awesome.
Oh, there you see a little better here.
All the way up the path, there's some big ones.
Yeah. We've got the bears walking up the front driveway now.
He's skipping the camera and just going up the, he probably cuts through, and then there's a path at the front that he cuts through right in our driveway. I've seen him a few times.
Now that we don't run a generator as much, they're closer up there.
Yeah.
I'd like to see the moose walk out in front.
You're right.
Maybe they'll visit us before we leave.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
Be a nice gift, a goodbye gift for us.
We're going to have one last bonfire tonight and have some hot dogs and relax by the fire and watch the stars and all that before we go to the campground.
Yep. It's going to be a good night.
Yeah.
Everything we do, I say it's our last. I keep telling Jeremy, oh, last time we're going to get ice cream. Last time we're going to go do this.
We had to go for ice cream today.
We were packing up and got too hot. We need to go for ice cream.
Yeah. They never actually had ice cream till this summer at the closest town, about 20 minutes away.
Yeah.
But now they have it.
Yeah.
Now we're leaving. Hopefully wherever we end up, there's ice cream
You're right.
available. Hard ice cream that lots of flavors.
Yeah.
This here actually used to be completely dirt. And this here's from laying down. This here all grew. Most of this is grown for putting rack stacker out here, the deer feed. And then the barley and stuff that they didn't eat grew up. So now they're coming in and eating it grown though. And that's hosta. We actually put that there ourselves, but they like that. But this was actually dirt. And now it's like they love it. It's a warm one.
Last time we'll take the camera off the tree.
Yeah, you might want to turn it off when you get back with 100 pictures taken.
Oh yeah. Oh, the bugs.
They're dying down though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost Father's Day. That's when they die down the best.
Let's go see what's on it.
Yeah. One last time.
Yeah.
What for here?
For here.
We're gonna be somewhere where there'll be actually more deer.
Well, yeah.
Where we're looking for land, there's a lot of deer that way.
Yeah.
And still moose, still all the stuff, still the regular New Brunswick animals.
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
This here's probably at least, you know, one of the highest prime spots for black bears in New Brunswick though.
Yeah.
I mean, they're everywhere.
And moose, right? Black bear and
Yeah,
moose?
there's still moose. There's still lots of moose in other spots though.
Yeah.
I mean, there's still black bears in other spots too. But yeah, moose and bear, there's lots of them up here.
Last fire here, we roasted some hot dogs and some giant sausages. Enjoying the evening as we pack up.
We're having our last bonfire on the property tonight. Pretty fun.
Yep. And Mom will come out in a bit. She's just really scared because she thinks it's too cold.
Yeah.
She's scared.
So we got to get the fire going really big.
She's scared of fish.
In the water, right? Yeah. She's a baby.
Yeah.
Last fire.
Yeah. It's weird.
Yeah.
It's cool though.
It
Had
is
a lot
cool.
of fires. A lot of fires out here.
Mm-hmm. Sounds nice.
But we'll have a lot more fires in our lifetime.
That's
Lord
for
willing, right?
Yeah. All right, so it's empty. Ready for the new owners. Seems weird. 3.5 years ago, there was absolutely nothing on this land, just raw land. Now it has a beautiful home. All these outbuildings. Looks some different when it's empty, doesn't it? I'm glad it's going to another military couple and somebody who wants to continue to expand and grow this area, this home. Just giving you one last tour of the place. We left carpets, window coverings, this extra flooring to go in this room, the things like that that they wanted, just to help them out. So all this was created from nothing by Jeremy and I. And tonight we say goodbye as we head into the next chapter of our lives. So we're going back to the property one last time because we forgot to leave our back door key. So the new people, it's pretty much all done with the lawyers, and the new people are moving in about 45 minutes. So we gotta rush there and drop off our key and close up the gate again before they arrive because we don't want to run into them. So yeah, we're speeding down the road knowing that they're not far behind us. It's kind of like a race game. It's like a movie.
Put the clock on. Right?
Yeah.
Cue the clock.
Jeremy's got the timer. We have an idea of how long until they get there to move their stuff in. So we're like timing it to make sure we can get there and get out quick enough.
Yeah.
So it makes it extra fun. Anyway, off we go to the house one last time. We're here one last time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for the last time. How many minutes do we have to spare? How many minutes do we have till we get out of here?
20.
Oh, we still have lots of time. We're gonna close the gate for one final time. We say goodbye. On to the next chapter of our lives.
Yeah, it's not goodbye, it's see you later.
Yeah. See you later.